King 12 Sansom Street in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This is a security door for Oildraulic impulse. Go up to 3 and turn it up. It's pretty hot in here. And the lights are blue. They're blue in the lobby too, so that's obviously intentional. I think the blue lighting is part of the skincare lounge spot on the 3rd floor. There's like a law office on the 3rd floor, so I'm not sure if they really appreciate that here at 3. Squeaky door to doors, knock down the window. Non-native phone, there's a pair of glasses in there, interesting. Certificate installed 1989. It's a basic cab. 2's burned out, I don't remember about 3. Here like 1. Didn't buzz until slightly after it stopped. I didn't hear any electric eye close, that's weird. Alright, listen, that's gonna be it.